Hello, it's Dr. Joseph Aiello from San Diego Center for Integrative Family Medicine, and today I want to take a little twist on the things that we do here at the San Diego Center. So I got this idea from a YouTuber named Sam I Am, who has a YouTube channel called To the Lifeboats, and it was an interesting thought that he had on one of his videos, and that's that within all of us we actually have a pharmacy, and within us we can therefore create everything that we need to treat ourselves. That's kind of what we do here at San Diego Center for Integrative Medicine. We don't like to give drugs. I have found over the years now that I've been doing this that I need to use medications rarely, because there's actually things you can do for people that are completely natural that will take care of them. A lot of it just has to do with changing their diet and their nutritional routine, and maybe being physically active and being hydrated. But some examples of things that I could think of was we actually make all of our own neurotransmitters. So feeling anxious or depressed, internally we make the different neurotransmitters to help balance ourselves out and reduce that anxiety or get ourselves out of depression. But of course some of that has to do with being healthy and eating well and doing healthy things, doing things that will calm your mind, doing meditation. And there's other things that your body does. For example, if you have elevated blood pressure, your body needs magnesium. It's a very important mineral. I call it a relaxing mineral because it helps to relax people who are anxious, and it also helps to reduce blood pressure and help people with muscle cramps or having muscle injuries. If you have an infection, your body makes natural antibodies to kill off the infection. It makes oxidative radicals, which is where it takes oxygen and it creates it into a molecule that will actually kill bacteria and viruses. So inside your body you have all of these different things, its own pharmacology, its own pharmacy that's designed to help you take care of yourself and live a healthy, happy life. But again, to do these things, you have to be doing healthy things. You have to stop doing things that are damaging your body and start doing things that will help to repair, which I've talked about in the past. And those things can be stop stressing, stop beating up your body physically if you're over-exercising, stop drinking too much alcohol, taking drugs. The other thing is to do things that are healthy. Eat well, eat good protein. You need protein to make neurotransmitters, which then can help your brain to balance itself out. You need good health. You need good minerals and nutrients. Our food may not have everything that you need, and you need to supplement with different nutrients. And that's what we do at San Diego Center for Integrative Medicine. We help your body to heal itself. That's our goal. It's not that we're going to do something to you and you're all of a sudden going to be better. We are here to help you to heal yourself. And that's the message I want to get out at San Diego Center for Integrative Medicine. We are here and we are open to help you.